I'm actually enjoying. So let me show you around these ones. You see? Wow, this is amazing. World class thing.
Even just to come, just to walk, without buying anything. Even the air that we have here, bro, it is wonderful.
You know what I'm saying? He's saying, you know, it is what it is, but like, I'm trying to promote myself, man. But look, I'm also pushing up with the.
So what are you doing? Yeah, so today I'm going to show you Century City. So we are right here at Canal Walk. Yes, so I just want to show you around so that you can see the beauty of this shopping mall. I hope you guys are going to enjoy in as much as I'm gonna enjoy sharing this experience with me. Let's get started.
As we say, now we're going upstairs where there is a sports thing. You know, some of us love gym and stuff. So we're gonna see where we find some of the stuff as well.
So right now, guys, we are now going up the stairs. Yes, so that's where the game is. But right now, let me show you around, guys. Look at the roof. This is well designed, top class, world class.
Here we go. As we're going, you can see Shift Express bar where we can get cocktails and stuff.
So this is Shift Espresso bar where we are right now, as you can see, and we are now moving. Yes, we are now moving to see different places. You can see the beauty of Century City Mall, guys. This place is so beautiful, and I encourage you all to visit. It's located in Cape Town. You know, the beauty of Cape Town. Wow. What else would you want from this, guys? Look at the view. And now we are going to the game.
Go to the game. Now we're going inside to check the stuff for gym. We have the supplement and stuff.
On our way in, guys, look at the entrance. The entrance is so well designed, and we're now inside. Look at this gym equipment. Yeah, and right now we are at the clothing places where they are clothes, and those are the gloves. Look at where we are right now. So guys, as you can see, we're just checking up some stuff. These are gym stuff. So these are gloves. As you have seen these gloves before. Yeah, they're used for gymming. And also you can see these things for your free gym equipment. That's the game for you. Yeah, naturally I like this shop, guys. I really like it, how well the things are organized. You can see at the stuff there's a lot of order, and right now we're just moving around, enjoying and showing you around everything. That is just cool that I like about game. Yes, and you can literally get anything here, guys. Look at how the shelves are well presented and prepared. And right now we're going to the electronics place. So buckle up, as there is a lot to show you, guys. Once we get out of this game, we are now going to show you around outside everything that we wanna know, that we wanna see. At the electronics place, this is where there are electronics. You can see there are a lot of TVs, all these things. That's so exciting. Yeah, the electronics here. Wow, I really want this huge television. Imagine just sitting on my bed with this huge TV. That's gonna be exciting. Look at these beautiful lamps. These are so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, guys, I'm actually enjoying this shop very well. It's there are a lot of things that are cool stuff. A lot of cool stuff. So that you can actually see different angles, different places. I know you guys are going to enjoy as much as I'm enjoying this more with you. Yes, so let's get up, guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm actually enjoying all these views that I'm actually seeing around. I am actually enjoying it. Super cool. Looks great. Look around, guys. Yeah, I've always wanted to be around such a beautiful place like this one. So yeah, we are here. We are there at the top. Let's see what's up there. So now, guys, we are now going downwards. As you can see, we're now going downwards. Yes, and this talent sitting on these chairs. Yes, look at the beautiful and the stunning places and areas that are around. Yes, as we move towards other shops, as we explore more. You look, guys, are you really seeing the beauty that I am seeing right now? Things that we are enjoying. Look at the four walls, guys. This is just amazing. I don't have anything to say.
Surprise home. Damn. If you want to buy some stuff for the house, here we go.
And guys, the journey continues as we continue to show you the beauty of Century City Mall and the brands, the precious brands that are inside this luxurious mall that is located in the low density suburb of Cape Town. You see, this is one of the best malls that we have in Africa. Yes, so guys, look at this mall. And guys, I can't say anything enough except that I'm astounded. I'm really impressed at what I am seeing right here. Yes, look around, look at the roof, look at how aesthetically this mall is designed. Look in front, look backwards, and look everywhere, guys. This is amazing. So guys, the journey continues. As you are seeing, we are showing you around, and there is Talent who is there. Talent is walking in front of me, and he's there showing us some beautiful places around.
We continue walking and see my car. To those who love drip, don't trip.
Guys, we continue to show you around, and look at this intersection. Yes, where the stairs get up and the other ones get down, and we are now showing you the back and the other side. Guys, this is one of the best shopping mall without any doubt that you can ever visit here in South Africa. So this is Century City Mall for you guys. Yeah, you can get a lot of things. There are a lot of shops, different shops, world-class shops, brands. You see,
As you can see Under Armour here.
So this Under Armour, you can see Oasis, Levi's up. I don't know how to say that out, but yeah, that's the brand. Samsung is there, the Vans is there. Everything that you want is here. Burger King. That is South Africa Century City Mall. Yes. Wow. You can see there are a lot of other brands out there. You can see this Burger King, KFC. This side, everything is there. Wow. This view is so stunning. Hi guys, so yeah, this is where we are right now, and I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are enjoying showing you this around. So this is Canal Walk. This is where we are right now. So down there, as you can see, there are other world-class brands like Spare, Burger King, CK. So let's go, come, let's see all this place, all these things. Guys, this is such a great and wonderful day for me. I'm actually enjoying this one. Right? So if you come down here, all these beautiful brands that I'm actually talking about. You see guys, I'm actually enjoying. So let me show you around this one. You see? Wow, this is amazing. world-class things.
You know, guys, there's a place that you have to come and check out. It's beautiful around here. Even just to come, just to walk here, without buying anything. Even the air that we have here, bro, it is wonderful. Yeah, of course.
What's your name?
Yeah, you know, yeah.
What's your name?
Talent.
Yeah, Silent.
Yeah.
The name is Silent.
You are silent.
What's your name?
Talent.
Talent. Can you meet talented?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talented. Look, I'm also most talented, but in the way of rap sense, man.
Serious.
Yeah, go me know Mickey if you know me. Away, just try morning Instagram or everywhere. Know Mickey, man. So look how it goes, man. Talent, no?
Yeah.
So what you say? What's the name of the channel?
My name on channel is Talent Maftamakaza. He's a decent mixer on the channel.
Oh. Nah, shout out the G. So look,
Decent mixer.
this same in Cloro.
Yeah.
Shout out G, shout out. So look, how it goes is, so look, we running from the streets, they call it the CPT. We chilling in the CAA. Canal Walk on the beat, but everybody know games. Hey, I'm the greatest rapper, CPT, they know my name. I'm pulling over the hundreds and lot of fame, though. Your bitch on my dick, but she never really sold, though. Crazy, or phase me, no, baby. I ain't got no time for all this shit, it's really crazy. Amaze me, oh, baby, I wanna take you lately. Yeah, now I'm really here with Mr. Talented himself. We really hustling on that money cause it's felt. A lot of people talking a lot of shit but they ain't doubt it, health it. Now we on that healthy should be running, stepping on the beat but they ain't never stunning, running. I'm pulling up with the chopper, I'm pulling on and no blocked up. A lot of niggas talking a lot of shit but they ain't locked up. Easy, man.
Here we go, me and my bro, as we walk. Take it from there.
Yo, me and my bro, we taking on the walk on the CPT. A lot of bitches know that it's us too, and we only coming with the CID. Your bitch on my dick and she just really idol me. I don't care on that shit cause I'm the baddest nigga. A lot of people know me cause they know my name. Lil Mickey on the beat, everybody know me. Everybody know me.
Yo, you kill this shit, bro.
Easy, man.
You kill this shit, bro. Yeah, you got some skills of rappers, so I can't say talent because if I say talent, people thought.
You know what I'm saying? He's saying, you know, it is what it is, but like,
Yeah.
I'm trying to promote myself, man. But look, I'm also pushing up with the clothing brand also now, guys, man. So just follow in with me and not tapping with Lil Mickey because look, we're gonna be promoting now the 448 forever and always. Hello, Samsung.
This one I use the wrong one. Yeah, I'm high as fuck.
Tripping, yeah, we're tripping on her Zaza. So sorry on my dick and she just wanna pop out. Damn. Pushing all on the heat, but they ain't never know it's Lil Mickey with me pulling on the seats. Your bitch on my back, the one she fucking on my dick. I ain't got no time for all that shit. It's really critical, the medical.
This nigga, he's not from Khalid family, but he's the best. He comes and pull up some reps.
Yeah. Respect. But yeah, I'm a pussy geese. Just follow with me, Lil Mickey. Away, sure guys.
Right, so this is the other side of Century City Mall. Yeah, guys, I hope you can see it yourself. This is what you are seeing right here. This is talent there. Talent there. And you are now on the other side. Yeah, talent, say something.
Yeah, bro. This whole place, this complex is so big. I'm feeling tired now. I wanna go home. I'm feeling tired. But the beautiful thing that I'm seeing here, I wish if everyone can come here and see what I'm seeing.
We've been here for some time now, and we are on our way out.
Sweet Margarita.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have made sure that you have subscribed and liked to our videos.